Welcome everyone to the 13th Annual Retail Banker International Asia Trailblazers Awards 2022. My name is Douglas Blakey. I'm the editor of Retail Banker International and the group editor of banking at Global Data PLC, the parent company of MEED. I'll keep this very brief as we have a great deal to get through, but I do want to thank all of the banks and their PR firms and consultancies for a very obvious time, care and effort that they have taken with the submissions. We had a record number of submissions this year, and the calibre, not just the quantity, but the calibre of the entries really have done the awards proud. So thank you. In a number of categories with some really close calls, and it really was quite difficult to determine a shortlist, let alone a winner. In one or two other categories, there was a very clear-cut winner. But in all, really, fantastic entries. So thank you to all of you. Let's kick off the awards, and the first category, customer experience and segmentation. Very warm congratulations to all of the winners. Moving on now to an increasingly important category, Governance Awards. As I said, this is the 13th annual event. We didn't have Governance Awards 13 years ago. This category will only grow and grow. Well done to all the winners. And the next category, just as important, and this was one where we really did have some very close calls, we'll look at the Human Capital Awards. Well done to all of the winners. The next category, some great entries. Again, some difficult decisions. Next Generation Technology Awards. Congratulations to the winners. Marketing, hugely important, some great entries. And now we look at the Positioning and Branding Awards. Well done to all of the marketing winners. Next up, product innovation. Huge amount of really impressive product innovation in the last year in the region, and some outstanding winners to celebrate in the product and advances categories. Well done to all of the product and advances winners. Now we turn to another really important area with some outstanding winners to celebrate in the social category. Well done to the social winners. The next category, this isn't just celebrating some of the best in the region, this is celebrating some truly world class, best of class in the world winners in the third party partnerships category. Well done to the winners. Now, I said some of the entries were knockout, absolutely outstanding, and that is definitely the case when we come to the institutional awards. Well done to the winners. We're almost there, but we have two big awards to celebrate. The RBI Asia Trailblazer of the Year Award for 2022 for institutions and the Individual Award. Congratulations to all of the highly commended banks and all of the winners. Now, an announcement. I'm delighted to announce a date for your diaries. We will be back in person in Singapore in 2023 for the 14th Annual Retail Banker International Asia Trailblazers Awards, 9th of March 2023. We look forward to seeing all of you in person next year on the 9th of March. Thank you.